In this video, we're going to talk about the structure of RNA. We already know that RNA is a nucleic acid, and it's going to be a polymer, but it is different from DNA. If we just look at this strand of RNA, one of the big things that you should be able to pick out, and of course it's written here as well, that the base thymine is actually being replaced with uracil. So we have a U base instead of a T. And in fact, a couple of other things will be different. So how do they differ? There are going to be three main differences. Number one, RNA has the sugar ribose, whereas DNA has the sugar deoxyribose. That then means that RNA actually stands for, ribonucleic acid, as opposed to DNA standing for deoxyribonucleic acid. So they are named partially after the sugar, that 5-carbon sugar that they have in their nucleotides. RNA contains the base uracil, whereas DNA has thymine. Now, thymine was a pyrimidine, and so is uracil. So they are the same size, and in fact, they both bond with A. So the pairing rules are just a little bit changed, but not that much. And the other really big thing is that RNA is a single-stranded molecule, whereas DNA is double-stranded. And so this actually means that we will get fun shapes of RNA, and which we're not going to talk about in this video, but you're going to see throughout our discussion of protein synthesis. And one other thing to mention that's not listed here is that RNA can actually go inside and outside of the nucleus. So RNA travels around the cell, whereas DNA basically for the most part stays inside the nucleus. That's another really huge difference. There are three main types of RNA. Type number 1 is going to be messenger RNA, otherwise known as mRNA. Note the M is lowercase. mRNA carries genetic information to the ribosomes. It is a messenger, and the ribosomes are in the cytoplasm, and it brings this information for protein synthesis. Type number 2 is ribosomal RNA, or rRNA. Note the lowercase r in front. Along with proteins, ribosomal RNA helps make up the ribosomes, and of course ribosomes are a huge part of protein synthesis. They're the site of protein synthesis. And the sort of third and very interesting type of RNA is transfer RNA. This is tRNA, note the lowercase t. Transfer RNA transfers amino acids, right, those monomers of proteins, to the ribosomes where the proteins are synthesized. So they are transfer molecules. They go and pick up amino acids and take them to the ribosome, drop them off, and go pick up other amino acids. And the big thing to note is that all three of these types of RNA are produced through transcription, and all three types are going to be used during the central dogma.